Good evening, Madam. My name is Julia Abbas Malam. I live in 35F, Mondragon Street, by Quezon City. I am 35 years old, married to Richard Dalam. I have two kids. The oldest is 8 years old and the youngest is 5 years old. I studied at AMA Computer Learning Center. My course is computer programming. Madam, I have my experience working as domestic helper in UAE. My duties are cleaning the house, washing the clothes, taking care of their children. Madam, I know how to operate vacuum cleaning, like that. And other.
Okay, Julia, how old are you again?
35 years old.
And you are married?
Yes.
So how many children do you have?
So,
How old are they?
the oldest is 8 years old and the youngest is 5 years old.
5 years old. Okay. So, you have worked as a domestic helper overseas before?
Yes, madam.
So, for how long?
2 years.
2 years. When did you arrive in the Philippines?
And I arrived in the Philippines on October 5, 2010.
2010. So, did you finish your contract?
Yes, madam.
Okay. So, where was it? Is it in Saudi Arabia?
No, madam, in the UAE.
UAE? United
United Arab Emirates.
Okay. So, can you tell me about your employment in Saudi UAE? How many family members were you serving?
The family members in the family of my madam is 6 for the children and 2 for the family for the homes. No, for the 6 children.
So,
I 4 children and 6 older couples.
so one couple
and
6 children.
4 children.
How old are the children?
The oldest daughter is 13 years old, and the second son is 10 years old, and the third daughter is 7 years old, and the last youngest son is 5 years old.
Okay, so what is your main duties?
The oldest,
What is your main duties as a domestic helper?
my duties before to clean the house, to washing the clothes, taking care of their children.
Okay, so are you the only one housemaid in a household? How many housemaid are you in the household?
2.
So you are 2. And your duties includes cleaning the house
Me, I in charge the children.
and
And the one is in charge to the cooking.
okay, so you are the one responsible for taking care of the children.
Yes, madam.
Okay, so aside from taking care of the children, what are your other duties?
My duties, when I finish, I clean the house and washing the clothes, and that's all.
Okay. So how old are the children again?
For the youngest daughter, 5 years old, and the oldest is 13 years old.
30 years old. So they go to school.
Yes, all.
Okay. So are you sending them to school?
Yes.
Sending and fetching to school?
Yes.
Okay. So can you tell me what is the first thing that you do since you wake up in the morning?
Maybe I wake up at 4 o'clock, then yes, 4 o'clock a.m. I prepare all the takes of the children.
And then, what else?
Then go to the school with the driver.
And after that, what is your job? What do you do?
To clean the house, washing the clothes, then all around.
Okay, by the way, how many rooms?
Rooms?
Yeah.
6 rooms. And 18 air condition.
6 rooms, total of 6 rooms.
Yes.
How many comfort rooms?
What bathroom?
Yes.
Also, in the dining, I have a bathroom also. In the salas, I have a bathroom also. And the rooms of my children, one by one, they have a bathroom.
Okay, and you are the one cleaning all these rooms.
No, for the 2 weeks to cleaning, but
So the other way that you are sharing cleaning the house
Yes.
of your employer. Okay, so are you also doing the cooking?
yes,
Okay, so how many courses do you cook?
bread.
What do you cook for, let's say for lunch and dinner? How many dishes do you cook? Are you the only one cooking or are you
Only breakfast, tea and bread. I prepare.
So you only prepare the breakfast. So who's the one doing the cooking for lunch and dinner?
The lunch and dinner for the
other maid?
yes.
Okay. So your job concentrates only on the children and cleaning the house?
Yes.
Washing the clothes?
Yes.
What about car washing? You do car washing?
Yes. Yes.
Me and how many car?
Maybe 3.
3 cars. And how often do you wash the car?
Only one for the car of Madam only. But for my mister, no clean. No. For
So
the
how often do you wash the car? How many times in a week?
1 week. Once a week.
Once in a week. Okay. So, okay, Julia. Are you willing to take care of sick or elderly person?
Yes, Madam. I am willing to take care the oldest and sick person.
Do you have background in taking care of elderly? You don't have background, but you are willing.
But I am willing.
Okay. So, what about pets? Are you willing to take care of pets like cats and dogs?
Yes, I am willing to take care like the dog, cats, because my employer I have a dog and cats also dogs.
What about in your house? Do you have pets?
In my house I have a dog and cats.
Okay. So when do you prefer to work in Hong Kong?
I prefer to work in Hong Kong because I earn that my employer is nice.
So, do you think you will not feel homesick for 2 years?
Yes, I'm not feel homesick because I'm domestic helper before in the UAE.
Okay. So, who will take care of your children?
I can take care because I can take care of their children.
Who will take care of your children if ever you are in Hong Kong?
I take care. I love the children. I love the children and teach them.
No, I am asking you. If ever you will be hired by your employer in Hong Kong and you go to Hong Kong, who will take care of your children?
My mother and my husband.
Your mother and your husband.
Yes.
Okay. So, are you willing to accept if ever your employer has more than 6 members?
Yes, I am willing.
Okay. What if ever your employer, the mother-in-laws or relatives stays together? Is it okay with you?
Yes. Yes, I am okay with that.
Okay, so what if your employer asks you to have your day off not on Sunday or Saturdays? Is it okay with you?
I'm okay.
Okay, so if you are given a chance to work in Hong Kong, what assurance can you give to your future employer?
Madam, I sure that my employer,
So can you promise to finish your contract?
yes, madam.
Okay. So, do you have friends in Hong Kong?
Yes, I have a friend, Mary Jane Johnson.
So, anytime you're ready to work in Hong Kong.
Yes, madam.
Have you done your medical recently?
Mm.
Okay. So, Julia, thank you and good luck.